Mm-hmm.
Want to not tell them. So I want you before you leave. I
Sure.
want to, I want you to speak our language to them, especially those ones. Maybe we can break it down with the language. You know,
Okay. What do I say now? Okay, in the
Ndị
bye.
be anyị kenele ndị be anyị nọ.
In the bye, can I found Banky, and it become na Canada almost ahiri here or afiri, whatever. Obahuru, obodo Ibo anyị bịa. Ọkwa ifo ọsọ anyị na-agbali up and down. Ọya akwụkwọ anyị kwesịrị imepe anya anyị. Anyị anọghị ebe anyị abịaghị ebe a ime ka ndụ anyị dịtụ mma. Anyị nwekwa ike inyere ndị be anyị
Aka.
aka. Ndị be anyị nọ na mgbagwo, so we need to still do something aside karịa just inete onwe anyị n'ebe anyị nọ. So anyị kwesịrị ịma ihe anyị ga-eme. Anya anyị kwesịrị imepe. Ọ baghị uru mmadụ bịa ebe a o bidokwa n'isi tawa afọ a na-agbaba ọsọ from mana ebe anyị si. So ọ baghị uru ịbịakwa ebe ibido n'isi, like I don't understand. So and then ụfọdụkwa ndị nke inekọta ụmụaka ndị chi ụmụ ọ dịghị izi ọkwụnụma because ebe a abụghị like be anyị ọ na-abụ eme anyị analụ ụlọ je kpọta nwanne anyị nwanne anyị ka ọ bịa nyere anyị aka neta ụmụaka abịa ebe a ọkwa n'isi gị ka ọ nọ. You understand? So ka ị na-arụ ọrụ ị na-aja yes ma yes n'ọrụ gị inwekwa nwa iku n'aka ma ọkwa na ụmụ amaghị m onye ọrụ nwekwa di nwekwa responsible ọ naghị agwụ so anyị kwesịrị ịma ihe anyị ga-eme ka anyị nyere onwe anyị aka ka anyị nwekwa ike ka anyị ghara ịnwụrụ na anyị bịara obodo oyibo stress ebe erika ka hapụta na nke covid na-akọ covid bụ ọya nke ya mana stress itself bụ ọya on its own. Early this year, I lost a very dear friend, a very close friend. Upper stress, Budia. And this COVID kind of so I'm already not COVID, Budia, but later we got to realize that that's what killed him. But his immune system, he was highly stressed. This was like a brother to me. So I know I've seen it firsthand, and I'm telling you guys, bikono, anyuno mepe. Unu fu ebe ụmụnne unu nwoke ma ụmụnne unu nwaanyị na-ekwu maka biznes dị online like this unu gee ha ntị ha ma ihe ha na-ekwu ma ọ bụghị eziokwu ịnụ ma ndị be anyị ma ọ bụghị eziokwu anyị ya tinye iru anyị na ya. So for us to come and be telling you and boldly saying it, we are confident anyị ma ihe anyị na-ekwu. So unu gee anyị ntị ngwana ịdị hapụ m ebe a mma asụgide asụsụ be anyị
asụsụ broken. Just a few minutes. Broken. I'm able general.
Yeah, so I'm more than happy to connect with all of us, and this obodo Ibo, I know we just need to be smarter. And if one nine okay and one nine wine something, we need to believe them. Yes, I understand the skepticism would always be there, but can I just have that little trust? And the fact is, this is our system. We be a fucha mobu he choli. You see how in one as you go may process make and that's it. Like you haven't lost anything really. But anyway,
make us speak broken, but I don't hear B. I don't hear from my big boss. The thing when they shout for sense, when I don't hear them, I don't tell on. I don't bring a lot of people. Then I tell on the same thing. So no, it's for na hand now. If na one make una change or not, we no go. Here we need to talk. He say we don't come here. We don't they suffer. People they suffer too much. Today I go out. I see a fellow African man like me. Stress. This man he looks tattered. They say this man will just come outside day for sun for the whole day. Stress. It's not working. So no man attack nobody. But if you have an opportunity like what we are telling you guys, try it. Do what they ask you to do. Simple thing. Click on the website, my website or Eke's website. Watch the 90 minutes webinar. See if it's good for you. It's for free. You're not paying nothing. It's information that can change your life. So do simple thing. Watch the webinar. I will tell you a bit of what the business is all about. But if you watch the webinar will tell you, will go in details and tell you what this business is all about. So it's in there for my hand. I don't talk my own.
You don't talk them. You say you don't talk them. If they like me, they know you don't try. We don't try.
Before you leave, we have some comments. Maybe we just